Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by ensuring safety. Engage the parking brake and turn the engine off before opening the bonnet. Remove the key, set the transmission to park or neutral, and switch off accessories. This prevents accidental movement. Stand with both feet shoulder-width apart and keep hands free of jewelry or loose clothing near moving parts. Have a flashlight and gloves ready to inspect latches and catches. A quick check takes about 15 to 30 seconds. If the vehicle is hot, allow 5 to 10 minutes to cool near the engine area before proceeding. Locate and pull the interior hood release lever under the left side of the dash. Reach down, hook your fingers around the plastic handle, and pull it firmly toward you until it clicks. Walk to the front of the Jeep, place your fingertips under the center of the bonnet, about 1 to 2 inches from the grille, and feel for the secondary safety latch. While keeping your left hand under the bonnet, push the secondary latch to the right with your thumb and simultaneously lift the bonnet up with both hands until it clears the catch and can be supported. Once the bonnet is open, if the gas struts are functioning, they will hold it. If not, remove the prop rod from its clip at the front left and seat it in the designated hole to secure the bonnet. Visually inspect the latch, striker, and rubber seals for debris, corrosion, or damage. Clean with a rag and apply light lubricant if required. When closing, lower the bonnet until it is about 6 inches above the striker. Then let it drop gently or press firmly down until you hear the primary latch engage. Finally, check that it is fully sealed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.